Hi, on this demo I'm going to show you how Infer's machine learning is creating lead scoring for RevOps teams. So we start off connecting to our data source. We can connect to lots of different data sources and pull data. I'm going to choose my HubSpot CRM and pull a table of data from there. We'll just give it a name. We now get introduced to Coworker, really powerful part of the platform. Coworker will scan our data set and basically tell us the best types of analysis that can be done with this data set. Everything is editable, so you can write through SQL to either edit these offered solutions, or you can just simply create your own data query. But I'm going to run a prediction on lead scoring. What we're going to do there is analyze all of your historical closed won, closed loss data to understand what a good business is for you, what's your ICP, how long does it take each of those types of deals and segments of prospects to close, and when they do close, are they closing for a high amount, relatively a low amount, and we'll use that to then formulate a score that we'll apply to every single new lead when it comes into your pipeline. That'll take 30 seconds to run, and this is what we end up getting. So first of all, we get the key drivers of quality of lead basically across our business. In this particular data set, industry is the number one predictor in lead score or lead quality for this data set. In fact, you see financial services is obviously a really good industry for us. Then the annual revenue of a business, of an account, is then also a big predictor, and it continues to go on. We can delve into those further. In this evidence tab, we can continue to delve into that data, and then we get an output table. Basically gives us the lead score. But what does that look like in our CRM? So we now get to see one view, and this is lead scores based by industry. So this is the type of thing that you can feed back to marketing to then focus on the right type of lead generation. Lead score by the source, and then the customer value by industry and source. But for sales reps, they want to see how can they prioritize their time on leads that are most likely to convert. This is where I come here. I've got my contact view. I've sorted all of my leads by the highest lead score. Simply go into this contact. We now get to see even more data down here, where we're seeing the lead score, the customer fit score, the likelihood of them buying, the value that they would then buy at, and then importantly as well, the reasons behind that prediction. So that's just creating more trust and credibility in the analysis and the output, which will result in greater adoption of this analysis. Would love to chat to anybody that's got any questions on that. Feel free to get in touch.